Have you ever wondered what they're not telling you about the new artificial intelligence? We're about to delve into the lesser-known sides of AI, revealing secrets that may change your view on this groundbreaking technology. Prepare to uncover the hidden truths about the new AI. Let's dive in. First off, the new AI is smarter than you think. It's been evolving at a pace that's nothing short of astonishing, surpassing our wildest expectations. Not only does it master tasks we assign to it, but it's also outperforming us in areas we once thought were uniquely human. From creating original artwork to diagnosing complex diseases, AI is rapidly encroaching on our turf. The new AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's becoming a rival. Secondly, AI isn't as objective as you might believe. Let's talk about algorithmic bias. This is when an AI system unintentionally perpetuates human prejudices and stereotypes. Imagine a scenario where an AI recruitment tool, trained on past hiring data, favors male candidates over female ones, not because they're more qualified, but because the AI learned from a biased data set. This is a real concern in the AI world, highlighting that AI, just like its creators, isn't free from biases. Thirdly, AI isn't all roses and sunshine. It comes with its own dangers. The promise of efficiency and convenience comes at the cost of job automation, potentially leaving millions unemployed. Our privacy too is at risk as AI continues to advance, with data collection and surveillance becoming increasingly pervasive. And let's not forget the looming specter of superintelligent AI, a force that could potentially outmatch human intelligence. With greater power comes greater responsibility, and AI is no exception. Fourthly, we are becoming increasingly dependent on AI. It's making a home in our pockets, our workplaces, even our kitchen appliances. It's shaping our decisions, from what we eat, to how we travel, to who we connect with. But here's the catch. This reliance can be a double-edged sword. As we entrust more of our lives to these algorithms, we also expose ourselves to new risks: data breaches, misinformation, manipulation. While AI makes our lives easier, it also makes us more vulnerable. Fifthly, AI can exacerbate social inequality. The digital divide is more than just an access issue. It's about who can afford the latest technologies and who gets left behind. The rise of AI could widen this gap, making the rich richer and the poor poorer. Job opportunities could also become skewed as AI takes over routine tasks. Those without the skills to navigate this new landscape may struggle to find work. So while AI can catalyze progress, it can also intensify disparities. AI is a double-edged sword that can both empower and marginalize. Sixthly, AI is often a black box. The inner workings of these algorithms are frequently shrouded in mystery, known only to their creators. This lack of transparency can lead to questions about accountability and who takes responsibility when things go wrong. Moreover, it can cause a disconnect between users and the technology they're using, fostering mistrust. The obscurity of AI's internal processes is a challenge we must tackle, as it hinders our ability to fully understand and leverage this technology. The mystery of AI is both its allure and its downfall. Seventhly, regulating AI is a massive challenge. The speed and complexity of AI development make it incredibly difficult to govern. Imagine trying to catch up with a technology that's sprinting ahead at breakneck speed, constantly evolving and reshaping itself. The rules we set today might be obsolete tomorrow, creating a regulatory roller coaster. To complicate matters further, the intricacies of AI systems often baffle even experts, leaving legislators in a tough spot. Regulating AI is like trying to catch a speeding bullet train. Eighthly, AI presents a plethora of ethical dilemmas. These dilemmas weave a complex web that challenges our very understanding of ethics. Let's think about consent, for instance. Who gives consent when AI collects and processes vast amounts of data? Then there's privacy. How do we ensure it's respected when AI's capabilities for surveillance are virtually limitless? And decision-making. Who's accountable when an AI system makes a consequential decision? The list goes on and on. AI is a Pandora's box of ethical questions. Lastly, the future of AI is uncertain and unpredictable. As we continue to push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do, we're stepping into uncharted territory. The potential impacts are vast, from reshaping industries to transforming how we live our daily lives. But with so many variables at play, it's impossible to pinpoint exactly where we're headed. Will AI become a tool for progress or a source of conflict? Only time will tell. The future of AI is as mysterious as the technology itself. So there you have it. 10 things they're not telling you about the new AI. From rising intelligence to ethical dilemmas, and from biased algorithms to the unpredictable future, These aspects underscore the complexity of our AI-driven world. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed and stay